Welcome. Let me show you a new PolDiag license. I already have connected my device to the airbag module with MCU R7F701330A. Within this module you can read processor I mentioned before. And with Active VAG subscription automatically erase crash data in the airbag module. Today I will show you how automatic repair works. You can set up folder and file name for the file that will automatically save, be corrected and saved in the module. This is just one button. The whole process takes 2 minutes. If for some reason the unit can't be automatically done, or user don't have subscription, it is possible to edit the file manually by user. The connection is also very simple, don't even need to lift the pin. Done, everything solved. See you soon.